we came across, what was it, 2 different black bear? Or is a mom and a cub? I'm glad we're in the vans right now as opposed to the truck, because sleeping in a rooftop tent when there's bears everywhere, it's kind of like, you're kind of like a spring roll at that point, right? Just a human spring roll. Friend of the channel, what is going on over here?
I got my chubby chat.
You can't be laughing. Hey, bro. Oh my god. Hey. When you laugh like that,
you're out of the video.
Hoist. Hey everyone, this portion of Stuff and Things is brought to you by a familiar friend of the channel, Hoist. Ashley's just really getting a kick out of it. It is so good. It's so good that it makes you cry sometimes. So if you're not familiar with Hoist, it's IV level hydration. A lot of times throughout the summer when it was really hot, like today, it's like almost 100 degrees out there, I get really tired of drinking tons of water. So Hoist is a really good way to actually get better hydrated than just straight up drinking water. And it's got a lot of vitamins and electrolytes and a lot of other good stuff in it.
Minerals too.
Minerals too. What's your favorite flavor?
Strawberry lemonade. Fruit punch.
Fruit punch. Will, what's your favorite flavor?
I'm gonna have to go with peach mango.
Peach mango, another solid one. Lately, my favorite has been the blue raspberry. Maybe it's because I've been drinking like all of the flavors. This one is the newest, but it's still one of the best, in my opinion. The fruit punch in the packets is also very good. Hoist probably doesn't want me to tell you this, but it's good for when you're drinking a little bit. Dude, you're just ruining this whole ad. But for real, Hoist tastes delicious. All the flavors are really good. It hydrates you better than just straight up water, and you guys should check it out. Use my code TALONSCI and you get 10% off your order. I'll leave a link in the top of the description down below. Huge thank you to Hoist for sponsoring this portion of Stuff and Things, because it's because of companies like you that I'm able to make these videos.
You gotta get down. Come on, get down. I know. Here's Don't let her out. I need to like put her leash on.
Hey, Blake, come here. There's bears out here.
Blake, come here.
You gotta stay.
I don't need you to turn into a bear snack.
What's going on, everyone? Back with another episode of Stuff and Things. We're out here in the Sat Van today. We're doing a quick Monday camping trip. It's Monday for us. And Will and Courtney hit me up this morning. They said, hey, do you want to go van camp? I said, sure. Haven't taken the Sat Van out in a while, so just coming out here, quick trip, cook some food, and we got a little bit of entertainment tonight as well.
We did it!
Hello, friends.
Hello!
The ProMaster did all right getting up here.
I know, she was just, you know, squirting along
I saw the little tires going over the washboard.
on the washboard.
We got special guest Maya here. Hi, Maya. How have you been? And Blake's here. You guys may remember Blake from when I had the storyteller for just a little while.
Maya.
So it's been quite a while since you guys have seen Will and Courtney's van. That was like a year and a half ago maybe, when we went up to some mountain lakes. I'll leave a link to that video over here if I can find it on the channel. But I'll let Will show you the progress that they've made. It's like, what, 90% done?
Yeah.
It was pretty bare bones before.
So flooring, we did all the paint work, refined the bed for the 84th time. The shower's done. I think you saw the shower.
The shower is like the homiest part of this van. All custom
Super
tile.
nice.
And yeah, it looks pretty complete.
And I don't know if this was functional, but
Got
toilet.
the slide out toilet.
Yeah.
Super cool.
Yeah.
He's got a little bit of stuff to do. He said he's gonna redo this whole control panel and obviously finish these walls.
Yeah, this control panel just looks super cheap, so I'm probably redo all that, and then we'll finish up the walls.
I made that. I made the frame.
You know, I forgot that, actually.
So that's why you're
So the
changing
control
it.
panel is going to be here forever.
We can just keep the trim that I made.
Talon
and it
signed
took
the
me
back of
forever.
that, so
Yeah.
that'll be available on eBay.
Now, unfortunately, it is that time during the summer where there is a fire ban in Colorado, so we're not going to be able to have a fire tonight. We've got something else scheduled for the entertainment that we just came up with super last minute. It's going to be a whole lot of fun. I'll give you guys a little bit of the rundown of the van. Not much has changed since our Baja, Mexico trip. There are a few changes that I would like to make at some point. The Sat Van is going to be at 2 different events this summer. You can find it at the Overland Expo Mountain West in Loveland, Colorado, as well as the Revel Mode Rally later in the year. What is that, September? That is in Moab, Utah. So I'm really looking forward to both of those trips. We've got nothing but the essentials today. Hoist and water and nooners. And we're back. It's been a couple hours, it's about dinner time now, and took the dogs for a little walk. Instead of cooking inside the van tonight, I'm bringing my cooking setup from the truck, which I never really talked about before, but I really like cooking on this thing, so I'm gonna show you guys. Got this on Amazon. Just a little Coleman stove. The lid pops up, it's got these little side wings on it to block the wind. And then instead of being a 2-burner stove, which you typically see out of these little Coleman stoves, has like a whole grill top on here. You can store the propane inlet valve right here. I don't think you're supposed to actually transport this thing with the grill section in place, but I do, whatever, it works. Over here on this side I have my Chameleon, which I got at Overland Expo down in Flagstaff. This is coming from Step 22. So in here I have my Travex Trek knife, which I use for cooking. I got a grill lighter to ignite this because this one unfortunately does not have a little electric igniter. And then I've upgraded my tongs. I was using a little set of these tongs that I found on Amazon, and got a bigger set just because it fits in here perfectly. The little ones are down in here. Someone asked about that before, so I'll actually leave links to all of this stuff down in the description below.
What are you doing for the 4th time?
I think we're skydiving like in the morning. All right, guys, we just had some dinner. I made some spicy sausage jambalaya, and Courtney made ramen
Medium
and peanut butter and jellies.
rare PBJs.
And
Medium rare.
what else was there? There's something.
The dip. That was it.
Oh, the dip
Literally
too.
it.
Yeah.
The jambalaya was fantastic.
It was so good.
So I guess the girls are gonna clean up. Are you gonna clean up my Coleman for me?
The girls are gonna clean up.
You said we're gonna clean up. I'm not telling you to clean up. You just said you wanted to clean up.
Don't say it. Clean up.
So as we're getting camp cleaned up here, we're hanging our trash here for now, but we absolutely have to put that inside one of our vans tonight. On the way in, like, that was not even a mile from here. I would say it's only like a couple hundred yards from here. We came across, what was it, 2 different black bear? Or it was a mom and a cub. And this is like prime time for bears, bear country. So we're gonna make sure we keep all of our scraps inside of the vehicle. I'm glad we're in the vans right now as opposed to the truck, because sleeping in a rooftop tent when there's bears everywhere, it's kind of like, you're kind of like a spring roll at that point, right? Just a human spring roll. Especially in a sleeping bag.
Bon appetit.
Why is that so funny?
Exactly.
It's kind of like a spring roll.
I think this on the tire.
Oh yeah, creativity. We could put it there. Actually, we could put it right in the middle on this little ledge. Sensor bar there or on the tire.
No, that works. That works right there.
And then we'll try to project up above it. This could be a first, but if you guys are getting some nostalgia from this, a little Wii sensor. If you guys used to rock Wii back in the day, leave a comment. Leave a thumbs up. This might be a first. I don't know if anyone has ever been Wii bowling on the side of a van.
Someone has to have done this already.
I've seen like Mario Kart on 64 like projected up against buildings.
So that's RCA on that side.
Oh, so the
720p
adapter needs to be
powered
as well. We got all the power in my van. So.
But you have 630.
We're gonna see
amp hours.
how long 630 amp hour system from Rome Rig can power a Wii and a projector.
Leave until your batteries are full.
All right, the setup is complete.
Yeah.
The van is powering this strip over here, which is now powering the Wii, the adapter, and the projector. We're projecting right onto the side of the van. It's kind of hard to see right now because it's not like super dark yet. We are getting close to one of the longest days of the year, but this is going to be epic. Am I gonna bowl a strike? Get in there. Strike! Yeah! With the pink Wiimote.
I said I need to be. I didn't say I am. Why aren't you swinging?
It's all in the wrist. And he f***ing does it again!
So we were just running all of that equipment, calling the Wii equipment, the Wii and the projector and all of that stuff for a couple hours, and we didn't even use 10% of the van's battery capacity. So we got plenty of power for days, literally. So it's about 11 o'clock at night now. Ashley has a movie downloaded. What movie is it?
Spider head? Spider leg?
Spider leg?
Something? Spider something? From Netflix? I don't know.
We're going to watch some movie. Go to bed.
Yes.
So we'll talk to you guys in the morning.
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 Hello.
How are you?
Great.
Good morning again, everyone. We are probably going to head out of our camp spot here kind of early this morning, so it's about 7 o'clock. Cooking some eggs for breakfast. Hey Blake, what did you think about the van last night? Yeah. It's pretty peaceful up here because it's midweek. It's now Tuesday morning. Didn't really have any traffic all night. Played a bunch of Wii bowling. And it was quiet. No bears. No bears.
I'm seeing that.
There's still a chance for bears.
Isaac, please drop something.
How is it?
Delicious.
Will and Courtney have to leave.
We're back.
Oh, you're back.
Bye, see you later.
Do you not want to go? Are you having so much fun?
We gotta go home.
Like.
Come home.
Come here, sister.
Thank you. All right, rolling out of our camp spot. Guess that's gonna be all for this quick little weekday getaway. Other than the 2 expos that I mentioned, I'm not sure when we'll be doing another van trip. Still have to take this thing to Alaska, and that won't happen until next summer at this point, but that's on the list of things to do. I don't even know what else to add.
We had a great night, didn't we, Blake?
Great night.
Great night.
So if you guys are new to this channel, consider clicking subscribe. I make new videos every week. As always, thanks for watching. Talk to you in the next one.